machine, but I do have some stuff because if I'm now
It's mostly an attended without.
Thank you everybody for your support of this kind of grassroots effort.
yes, pictures, everything.
Oh, it is Amber.
Okay, it works.
I will run. Yeah, some of that.
I don't know what problem you were experiencing before. Is the drive?
Yeah, it's something.
Jeff Raskin wanted the Macintosh to basically be like an inexpensive word processor, effectively. And that's what this is. It basically is just Microsoft Word. It doesn't do anything else, it just word processes.
We're going to start to see airplanes moving across the screen, and now I can use my mouse and start shooting at aliens and all that sort of stuff.
2 CPUs, and each of those light bars is how much the CPU is being used.
I remember watching Windows launch while I was in the hospital because I was crossing.
But that is pretty amazing actually, that they are able to like
Control your emotions.